that can't be my intro. Nope. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing my October's month BoxyCharm. I was really impressed with everything that I got in this month's box. I loved everything. So yeah, if you guys want to see me create this look and talk more about what's in my box, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I saw when I opened my box was this Murad AHBH exfoliating cleanser, and this retails for very nice. I like it. You know, it's on high boots. But yeah, so I like it a lot, and I like the sleeves. Yeah, very nice. I thought, what size was that? Yeah, it looked good. I like it. We need someone to so you can wear it now.
Oh, sure.
I wish I could show everybody. Bye. Okay, so this clip. Goodbye. Hurry so I can finish and we can eat.
Wait. But I have to be still. Wait. Pause. Quiet for 1 moment.
Ali. You're fucking nasty. Get out. Shit, man. Okay, so this cleanser retails for $40, and it says this multitasking cleansing exfoliant is an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical and physical exfoliation helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps to optimize skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. So this I'm really excited for because it has salicylic, lactic, and glycolic acid in it. That's gonna help with the hyperpigmentation that I have on my skin. So I will keep you guys posted on this one for sure, because it's definitely something that I will be using over time. Then the next thing that I got is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. This retails for $20. I got mine in the shade Soulmate, and it says it's a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of I can't pronounce it. But it says that it leaves your lips really hydrated, moisturized, and it smells so good. So yeah, I got that. Then I got the lashes that I have on right now. It's from Lava Lashes, and it's in their collaboration with BoxyCharm. It retails for $19.99. Says it's a lightweight and fluffy, handcrafted luxury lashes. And it feels nice. It's definitely lightweight. The band is really thin, which I like. Yeah. Then I got the Luxy brushes that I used throughout this video, and these retail for $40. It's the $1 set. Love the color of the handles. But yeah. Then the last thing that I got is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. This retails for $38. Yeah, I wasn't really too impressed with it, to be honest. The pigmentation just really wasn't there for me, but we still worked with it, and I think this look came out really nice.
You didn't drink enough?
Was here from since Friday? Just drink a bottle of water. So yeah, that's all that I got in this month's box. Very impressed with everything. Yeah, okay, so if you guys want to see me create this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Bakery. It's the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette, and this palette retails for $38. Oops, this is what it looks like. Very fall appropriate. So first, it doesn't have a mirror in it, so I'm gonna use mine. And I'm first gonna go in with forehead kisses. Forehead kisses. This one right here. Gonna put that in my crease. Okay, moving on. I'll take Messy here, which is this one right here, and I'll put that in my crease. This is a Morphe GH50 brush. You can use any blending brush that you like. I also got these Boxy brushes. Comes in this little cute bag. These are all eye brushes. So it's the Boxy 237 blending. This is what it looks like. Then I got, hold on, let me just take them out the bag slow. Whoa. Okay, so the 237, then this one's the 205 taper blending brush. I'm obsessed with the color of the handles. This one is a 209 large shader brush, and I love brushes like these. Then I got the 207 medium angled shading brush. And then the last one that I got is the 201 brow and lash brush. It's just a spoolie. So now I'm gonna take the 205 taper blending brush and lightly blend out my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Yoni, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna run that on my lash line. Gonna put some powder on my eyes to catch that fall. Okay, so now I'll take the 237 and blend that line. I need a smaller mirror. Gosh, I'm sorry about the banging area. Actually, I think I'm gonna take Boo and a View, which is this black one right here. It's kind of like a shimmery black. I'm gonna take that on my lash line instead. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I am going to run some Feline. First, Feline from MAC on my lower lash line, and then I'll put Boo with a View. God, I need to sharpen. So unprepared. Okay. So smudge this on your lash line or any black eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Boo and a View. I'm gonna press that on top of that black eyeliner. I don't know, that black just is not doing it for me. Okay, moving on, I'm gonna take Cuddle Cakes, which is this one right here, and I'll put that on my lid. I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit first. Okay, now I'm gonna take Fresh Face, which is this one. It's a little bit lighter, and I'm gonna put that on top. Now I'm going back in the crease with Messy Hair to blend those two together. In my lower lash line, I'm going to put Feline. I'm going to smudge that out using the same brush that I used to apply that black shade on top. Okay, so for my inner tear up, I'm gonna put French Doors, which is this one right here. Moving on to lips. I got the, oh no, wait, I have lashes, haha. I got the Lava lashes, just this one. There we go. It's just, I don't know what these are. Lava lashes, premium foaming, and it's in their collaboration with BoxyCharm. That retails for $19.99, and the brush set retails for $40. Let me put these on. I burned myself with the flat iron this morning. Get a difference with and without lashes. Okay guys, so now for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. This retails for $20. It smells really nice. It's in the shade Soulmate. This is what it looks like. It's very sheer, which I like. So first I'm gonna go in with my Cork by MAC. Which one is this? Actually, I'll do Spice. Now I'm gonna go in with the lip tint. And that's what it looks like. I really don't like it with this makeup look. So I'm gonna take it off, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's nice, but it just doesn't go with this look today. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. It feels really nice though. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Come join the vibes. Bye guys.